hell. Until I stand up, I was thinking, praying to myself, I need to come out of it. That's it, finish, done. Take my child, get out, get lost, finish. And he was giving me $2,000 every month. I told my mother, don't accept that money because he will want to meet the child. I said, I don't want connection, means nothing, including his money. Ask him to go off. I'm educated, I know how to earn and work. And I was happy after I let go of all that. ಇದೇ ನಾನು ಉಕ್ಕಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾವ್ husband, what to do, hitla bitla.
See, madam, this lady who called her just now, she got she called me some time back, madam. She got 3 parlors. Okay, husband not working. Come and take the money from the parlor and go, madam.
Exactly, I heard that.
I've talked to her before. I've talked to her before. No, you got 40, 50 people working for you, and at home you're like a slave. What is that? What is wrong, madam?
Exactly.
Young pulla. So you want to suffer? Okay, suffer. No problem. You suffer. Make him follow them rules. Did you come? You have no more karma to balance. Okay, fine. Now, why must you suffer with somebody? At least the fellow is working less money. Okay, la, madam. The fellow is suffering. He's working very hard. Come back, take the family. Okay, la. Or come to the house and manage the whole business. Another lady, madam.
Just
same
help
thing.
out in the house.
Another lady, madam. She was having the business. She got married. He gave the business to her husband, and all the loan under her name. And that day he came.
My ex-husband did to me.
He came to her. He came to her and made her sign a letter, the along, wanting to get 400.
Yes, I went through that with my ex-husband, first husband.
Madam,
yes.
the signing was signed. Asked her to sign her with $400,000 loan from an along.
Kadavule.
Man, that is 40,000 a month. And she's supposed to sign as a witness. So tomorrow it's going to come back to her. The company is under her name.
Yeah,
how is he going to change? Beat her?
Look how selfish the man is.
He'll beat her up, and then he won't have sex every day. How can a woman have sex with a man like that? How la?
Yes.
For the men, easy. I put inside, my sperm come out, I walk away. For the women?
Yes, correct.
No women can do that, man. No woman can do that. It's so sad.
You know what they need is nowadays, they need is mindset changes, not going through the cultural way, like how
Correct,
our
madam.
parents, grandparents, they got no choice because they are not educated. They have to sit, depending on the husband, going out, coming in. Nowadays, it's not like that. They have to be open-minded, which some people, it's difficult for them to do that. Oh, you're asking to pray for him to die. What kind of man he is? Because you don't see it because you're not in that shoes. Those women who's going through suffering, I know because I went through with my first husband. I went through the beating and hitting and
Indian ladies pray, say, I must die, not husband must die. நான் செத்து போறேன். எப்ப சாவு? என் சாவு எப்போ வரும்? என் சாவு எப்போ வரும்?
Yeah, that one all they are good in.
என் சாவு எப்போ வரும்? இதை பார்க்கணும், கருமத்தை பார்க்கணுமா, நான் கஷ்டப்படணும். கடவுளே, they don't pray for other people to die. They pray for them to die. I say, what? What kind of nonsense is that, madam?
Correct.
This is the mindset and the program and tone to that level, madam. What can we do?
Exactly.
And when somebody say that, madam, my whole thing will turn upside down, madam. I say, you don't know what people are going through in life. You have never heard people.
Don't, Mr. Siva. When you know why? This kind of people all are there to destroy other people's mindset. There will be one, two black dots hanging you. Ignore them. Just ignore them. Leave it. It will come their turn one day. Then the same person will call you back and ask for help. Appa kudunga. Appa you give them. You give them back. Till then, let them enjoy their life. Just tell them, I'm so happy, you have this kind of mindset, remain as that kind of mindset, be happy in your life, and just,
there.
walk into your journey.
I don't care. You remain there where you are. You remain, finish.
Yeah, remain there. Just remain. They think the life is always beautiful. Life is always beautiful when your mindset is changed. When you become open-minded, when you know how to accept things, when you know how to see things. Because what you said in Bed Yoga, one lady who called, that's true. We are not born, our parents brought us up like a flower. Tadirna or kaila kurtide, like a monkey, they destroy us.
Correct.
We don't need to go through that. We are not born for that. We are not born for that. To be destroyed or to pichi போடுறது வந்து ஐயோ இவன் பிக்கிறான் பரவாயில்ல பிச்சிட்டு போ. Never mind, பிச்சிட்டு போ. We just sit like that. We are not born for that. We are born for more than that. Which people don't understand that. Those people who don't understand that, let them remain where they are. It's okay. No need to be angry with them. Don't be angry, sir. Don't be angry. You know, you are doing good things for 10,000 people. These 1-2 people doesn't matter. You are doing so much of changes for people. You are doing so much of good things about people. You are teaching them about mother. You're teaching them how to praise, to value mother. Number one, we never seen God. We never seen Murugan. We never seen Ganapati. Ana, we are kotro money to the temple. Ayo,
You're never going to see all of that, madam. Never going to see.
Never seen them. But இருக்கிற parents who slogged first in our life, அது பார்க்காம, people are putting money in temples, but not feeding the family, not feeding the poor, not feeding the people who is in need. People are crying on the road. I'm jobless now in Australia. We are supposed to attend for this program, and when I was going through online with all those people who are going through this global skills training, and one guy was saying that few years back he was jobless. He was on the street, and someone gave him blanket. Till today he's keeping the blanket, and today he got a job. And after that, only due to COVID, he lost again his job. So when he was jobless, he didn't have job, he didn't had anything. Someone gave him a blanket which can keep him warm during the winter.
That's all,
he's
madam.
Still keeping it today, and he's telling to us, I was on the street, someone came and helped me, someone came and showed me that there's a housing help. They gave him a house. Today he owns a house. Look at the changes that the person did. And the person who gave him blanket would have gone. Yaro, someone, stranger.
That's
but
all.
This guy is keeping the blanket with him, and I'm sure he'll be like, still praising that guy. And the blessing is there for that guy forever in his life. So this is the life that we want. It's difficult. Some people when the mindset difficult. Sometimes I tell about this country or a concept also. Even I'm talking to my family group WhatsApp na solrேன். Here men in this country, they don't see woman must be in the kitchen. It's not their concept here. If the man is free, the man is at home, the man will be doing cooking, no matter what his designation, whether he's a director or CEO or whatever. When the woman is busy out there, அவன் போயிட்டு சமைச்சிருப்பான். He'll be cooking. But our culture, what? Never cook. The lady is still working. Come back. Are you preparing something? Still waiting for the woman to come back from work, for the woman to come and rush cooking for the family. And the man will be sitting and watching TV, waiting. Where food? Why today late? Look at the mindset. When I came here, when I saw the changes, I was thinking, my goodness, all this while, what are we was into, This is the thing that I think people need to be open-minded. But never mind. Leave it, sir. Leave it. There will be culprits there here all
No matter.
to spoil other people's
Sometime I
mind.
must make some noise so that people wake up, madam. Cannot let people say what they want. That's what I do. You have to make some noise, madam.
And
You don't talk like that. You do not know
that's
what
true.
other women are going around. You understand, madam? Just because
That's
someone's
true.
saying doesn't mean that it
That's
represent. You see, some fella will, அப்படியா ஆமா எங்க அப்பா நல்ல yes, my father is a good man also. I never see my father as bad man. My brothers we all don't
Yeah.
drink, we don't smoke. But doesn't mean other family like that, madam. A father doesn't drink smoke, but the children all smoking and drinking, madam. On my wedding day, madam, the dinner, there was a beer party and alcohol party, madam. Everyone except me, I don't drink, madam. My wife also drank, madam. So somebody offered, no, he's a small boy, he won't drink. And they all left. They said that word, no, he's a small boy, he won't drink. They think they all drink, they're big man. Today, one fella diabetic, one fella cut a leg already. Her father died because of heart blood pressure all. Yeah, you drink lah. I'm not saying you don't drink. It's up to you. I got other work to do. Why should I spend money, waste the money, madam? And drinking and drinking. I mean, if you drink, you die alone, no problem, madam. Don't make other people suffer. Make other people suffer you lah. That's all, isn't it? Don't others suffer lah.
Correct. This country, I also drink. I drink wine. You know,
Yeah,
we
you
have
can
to
drink
drink
like a
wine because
social
chill
drinker,
day or
madam. You
whatever.
can
Once
drink.
a while,
You
you know,
can
it's
drink
like
like a
1
social
week
drinker,
once conjo.
madam. No problem
Correct.
lah. But actually, madam, you want to
Correct.
drink cocktail better lah, madam. Nice taste, ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். கொஞ்சம் juice லாம் போட்டுலாம் இருப்பாங்க, madam.
That's sweet, too
No,
sweet.
no, no. You can reduce the sugar. You
Wine
can reduce.
what?
No, you can reduce the sugar. You can reduce. I mean, you can make it your own drink, lah. You know what I'm trying to say, now, madam. You can make it nice drink.
Correct,
That's all.
correct. Your own cocktail.
That's all. You can add something and put a little bit and put some lime juice or strawberry juice or whatever. Okay, fine. That's all. You know what I mean? Now. Don't have to go for 45% hard liquor, lah, madam.
No. It's the one that I'm drinking all. It's like 7%,
Yeah, drinking is
8%.
fine. Drinking is fine, madam. But you don't keep on drinking and become alcoholic. You must have drink, otherwise you cannot sleep.
Yeah, don't miss out your duties, your family duties. Aditha, you know, whether you're drinking or not, but don't
அதானே
miss
சொன்னேன்
out your
madam. If
family
the husband
duties.
drinking, put him in the room,
Correct.
let him drink whatever he wants, close the door, next man get up, hi, I love you, wife, வர வேண்டிய வெளிய வர
ஆமா.
வேண்டிய
Correct.
Why come and shout at her and
Correct.
bang a door and make such a scene, madam? You drink lah, no problem.
Aditha.
Your money is given, okay, you earn 10,000 ringgit, 1,000 you drink, okay, 2,000 use for yourself, 8,000 give for the family, buy the car, whatever, pay for the house, whatever it is, no problem, man.
Correct.
Nothing wrong, man. I didn't say
Don't
anything.
forget your family chores. That's
Amma,
true.
don't go and
Correct.
drink and come back and shout and scream and shout all kind of filthy words to your
Amma,
wife and
back.
say this and that and why I marry you, what's the point and all that, what's the point? It's not going to
That's
help
why.
anything. Sorry, man, I got to go,
That's
man.
why.
Got a lot of work to do. I'll start today.
Okay,
bye,
sir.
man. Take
You
care.
take
Thanks.
care.
Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye.